Have you ever met someone for the first time and instantly felt you liked them? Or maybe you felt uncomfortable even before they said anything? It may sound unfair, but psychology reveals that humans judge others in just 3 seconds. Not 3 minutes, not 30 seconds, just 3 seconds. And in this video, we're diving deep into the science, the psychology, and the hidden biases that shape first impressions, and how you can use them to instantly appear confident, attractive, and trustworthy. Your brain is always scanning people and environments to answer one question: am I safe? This instinct is ancient. Early humans had to judge strangers quickly. Is this person friendly or dangerous? Today, your brain still does the same thing. It takes microsignals like facial expressions, posture, tone, and confidence, and creates a fast emotional decision about someone. This happens in your amygdala, the part of your brain that detects danger and triggers quick reactions. You're not thinking about it consciously. Your brain does it automatically. Psychologists call this thin slicing. In one famous study, students judged a teacher's personality after seeing the teacher for just 6 seconds. Their ratings matched the opinions of students who studied with that teacher for months. This means your brain is shockingly good at reading tiny signals. Before you speak, your body already starts speaking for you. A slight smile, relaxed shoulders, steady breathing. They all tell a story. One of the strongest psychological biases behind first impressions is the halo effect. If someone sees one positive trait in you, their brain assumes you have others. If you look confident, people assume you're smart. If you dress well, people assume you're successful. If you smile, people assume you're friendly. And the opposite is also true. A messy outfit, nervous tone, or tense posture can instantly create a negative impression. It's not always fair, but it's how the human brain works.
Now that you understand the psychology behind first impressions, here's how to control it. Fix your posture. Stand straight with relaxed shoulders. Confidence starts before you speak. Slow down your movements. People who move calmly appear trustworthy and self-assured. Maintain brief eye contact, not too long, just natural and relaxed. Smile softly. A small, genuine smile makes you instantly approachable. Speak slowly and clearly. Fast talking signals anxiety. Slow talking signals confidence. Dress intentionally. Clothing creates an instant halo effect. Control your first 5 words. Start warm and confident. A simple "nice to meet you" with a smile can change everything. Put your phone away. Nothing ruins first impressions faster than checking your phone. First impressions are not just about looks. They are about psychology, energy, and emotion. Once you understand how they work, you can transform how people see you forever.